Hey guys, how you doing? This here is your car stereo. Trying to get it with a light to hit the actual radio. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what I did as far as the wiring harness go. I'm gonna flip it around. I have a factory plug-in so that I don't have to try to cut any wires or take off the factory head. This plugs directly into the factory radio right here. And this is on a 95 Chevy Suburban truck, so it's an old truck. But first of all, I'm showing you yellow on yellow. Let you see this clearly. Red on red. And then I have the 3 black wires, all the grounds twisted together. And then I have the speaker wires. This right here is green and black, going on green and black. This right here is blue, going on blue. This right here is orange, going on orange. This one here is gray, going on gray. This one right here is purple and black, going on purple and black. This one here is gray and black on gray and black. This one here is white and black on white and black. This is solid purple on purple. This is white on white. And this is solid green on green. And this right here is the orange and black. I don't know if I called this one. It wasn't in the bundle. This right here is the orange and black on an orange and white on my radio. And these wires here I got wrapped up in a knot are not used. Key 1, key 2, and the brown brake wire. Now, this right here will allow me to just plug it directly into the factory radio. I'm going to get a brighter light that might help. I hope you see that all these wires are actually color coded to the correct wires themselves. There's no way to make a mistake with doing it this way. You get instant gratification when you plug it in. Everything's good. So we're going to go plug it into the car now.
Probably get up to King because I went over there. She had shown me probably what she got again. I can probably do it myself.
If the motor start coming in fast, you won't.
No. Hey, I'll be able to work with it.
You'll be able to manage it initially, though.
What? They got sites like.
I'm on video right now. Hold on. Okay. Coming out to my trusted old truck here. We're gonna do this. My first recording, I didn't like it. I had too much going on, static in the background and all that stuff. But I'm here in the car. This is where the radio is going to be installed. This right here, let's see, I need to be able to see it. this right here is my factory plug. So I'm certain that you can see that plug. This is the factory. And this here, once again, is my factory plug-in. I'm going to plug the two together. Come on. Okay, at this point, the factory plug-in is plugged into the factory radio plug-in, and now I'm gonna push them back and plug in the antenna. You probably won't see this portion, but that's the only way you know the radio is actually playing. So hold on a sec. I'll leave it there. Okay. Got the radio slid in. I'm going to power it on. Screen should be popping up right now, but it's not. But as you can see, the radio plays fine. I will hit the display button.
It just won't stop me, go. Head over heels in love, right in front of you, I ain't gotta look no more, baby.
Okay, while this is taking place, like I said, the screen should have already popped up, and it's not. I can actually start the car, and I'm getting the same thing. You know, the radio should be popping up. I hit display. I'm getting nothing. I got a camera hooked up. I put it in reverse. I get nothing. I don't know, but it's not working. So I hope this is enough for you guys to act on this video and send me a refund or expedite me another radio within a few days. Either way, thank you. I hope this was sufficient. Let me take a look at the video to make sure it looks okay.